Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Fadil from Major Architecture in Yogyakarta Asia University. I will make a video assignment about the impact of the pandemic on education and students. Okay. It has been a year since the COVID-19 virus was discovered in China and continues to spread around the world. In Indonesia itself, the first positive case of this virus was found in March 2020. Exactly 2 weeks after that, another was held for a 2 weeks trial online school, which turned out to continue until July 2021 now. Since then, humans must isolate and take care of each other as an early prevention of the virus. Lockdown is difficult for all of us, but there are many lessons and to be learned from this pandemic. Feeling our daily life, which of course feel bored with all these online things. Let's take a moment to think back on our activities before this pandemic and imagine what will happen after this pandemic ends. How we will adjust again, and whether we already feel used to the activity in this time online network. In the pre-pandemic period, children and youth spend most of their lives in school and learning everywhere that it seemed like an easy day to go. Even teachers don't feel like a teacher unless they walk the halls, teach in front of the class, and with the same ones they've known for a long time. Everything was carried out normally without thinking if of a situation like this in the future. Until finally the unthinkable happens. We'll see what changed our field education during lockdown just got worse. The level of teaching decreases because teachers are not familiar with online teaching. As for example, students honestly during online tests. Parents are Parents are also always easily offended because their own times has been lost while their children are in school. Of course, many other reasons such as their knowledge is revealed, then children come to them by asking him many things. If you imagine a year after this terrible pandemic, students will arrive at school gentle but happy. Teachers will find themselves going back to square one when they ask students if they thought this lockdown was an early vacation and will be seen teaching the same topics again. A large number becoming a large number of children will emerge with newfound skills as painting, writing, singing, blogging, or even becoming a popular YouTuber and other things that were not even thought of in pre-pandemic times. Our world and lifestyle will change, and some of it has. The world will continue by vigilante and adopt a more healthy lifestyle. People who depend on fast food will begin to learn to cook for themselves and eat together. Students also already know how to find place to study quietly throughout the house. During the lockdown, we learned not only how to start a video call but so much more. People believe that the current generation is gentle and unprepared to face any challenge of life or the test of nature. However, during the lockdown, we have learned a lot of things we couldn't do before the pandemic, and, and it certainly affect us both mentally and physically. We have also learned how to adapt the situation no one has thought of and learned how to fight unknown and impossible enemies. I believe we have prepared ourselves when the pandemic subsides and we'll find the broken parts of our past life and must find the will and courage to reunite the bonds that we are once separated by this distance. A new world is coming and we have learned how to survive it. Happily, this new year 2021 will be a good start for all of us. Keep healthy. Thank you.